Depositing money at an ATM is a simple and convenient way to add funds to your bank account. First, ensure you have your debit card or bank card with you, as well as the cash or checks you intend to deposit. When you arrive at the ATM, insert your card into the machine and enter your PIN to access your account. On the screen, you'll see several options. Select Deposit to start the process. The ATM will ask you to choose between depositing cash or checks, or it may allow you to deposit both in one transaction. Follow the instructions on the screen for your choice. If depositing cash, ensure bills are neatly stacked without any folded edges, as many ATMs scan and count the bills automatically. For checks, some ATMs may require you to insert each check individually, while others allow multiple checks at once. Once you've inserted your cash or checks, the ATM will display the amount received. Review the total carefully to make sure it matches the amount you're depositing. Confirm the transaction to complete it, and the ATM will process the deposit. In most cases, the funds will appear in your account right away, though sometimes a short hold may apply, especially for checks. After completing the deposit, take your receipt as proof of the transaction, remove your card, and ensure that all your belongings are with you. Using an ATM for deposits is both quick and accessible, offering flexibility outside regular banking hours.